The Yaounde General Hospital held its second General Assembly on Friday, November 28, 2025. The meeting brought together stakeholders, staff and management to discuss issues affecting the hospital. Discussion centered on update regarding hospital's operation. The assembly also provided a platform for stakeholders to engage in hospital management. Key issues were addressed and plans were put in place to improve hospital services.
Nous venons de vivre la deuxième édition de l'Assemblée.
We have just concluded the second edition of the Yaounde General Hospital General Assembly. As you know, General Assemblies in the Ministry of Health are ministerial prescriptions. At least once a year, a healthcare facility must bring together its entire staff to take stock of the past year and make projections for the next year. And so, the outcome is entirely positive. You've seen with us that all the recommendations prescribed by the ministry and even the hierarchy have been fully implemented. In 10 months, the Yaounde General Hospital has undergone a 97% fiscal, technical and health transformation, with approximately 3,711 consultations recorded per month.
Nous sommes unanimes aujourd'hui que cette supervision.
We are all unanimous today that this supervision has rendered enormous services to our healthcare facility, a recommendable follow-up of all critical procedures. Third pillar, we will proceed with the modernization of infrastructure and equipment. A modern hospital must be equipped, maintained and secured. Thus, we are launching several concrete projects. Our discussion with the various departments have enabled us to select several acquisition projects. We will come back to these in details later. So note that in very short term, we have acquired 2 new scanners which have already been purchased.
L'acquisition de 2 nouveaux scanners déjà achetés.
The ceremony, which blended work and culture, also featured the appointment of staff delegates and the crowning of Miss General Hospital. The assembly offers a unique opportunity for officials to engage with hospitals' management, shared perspective, and foster a sense of community. The blend of cultural and professional elements makes the event both memorable and productive.